These strawberry oat crumble bars are one of my favorite summer desserts, and as always, the full recipe can be found down in the description box below. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of old-fashioned or large flake oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Use your whisk to mix this well, ensuring that there's no clumps of sugar left. Now we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of butter that's melted and cooled slightly, and we're just going to mix this until everything is incorporated and all of that flour is mixed in. None of it's left at the bottom of the bowl there. I have lined an 8x8 pan with parchment paper. This is an optional step, but it makes it a lot easier to take the bars out. I'm going to put about half of my crumble mixture into the bottom of my pan here. You could use a little bit more if you'd like a thicker crust. And now using your hands or your spatula if you prefer, you're just going to pack that down, ensuring that you get it into all of the corners and it's as even as you can get it. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You'll just need to give this a quick whisk here. Now I'm going to measure out 2 cups of strawberries. You can use fresh or frozen for this recipe, and you could actually substitute any berry for these strawberries. Just going to pour my cornstarch sugar mixture over top, and then using a spatula, or I prefer my hands, I'm just going to give this a quick mix, ensuring that all of the berries are fully coated in the cornstarch mixture. Now we can pour this over top of our prepared crust. Don't worry about the loose sugar and cornstarch, that will all end up making a nice strawberry sauce. You'll want to make sure that your strawberries are in a nice even layer, and then we can start adding our crumble to the top. You want to get this fairly even, but don't worry if there's little pieces of strawberry poking through, especially if you used more on the bottom there, then you won't have as much crumble for the top. Just going to level this out for baking, and this is going to go into an oven preheated to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. You'll want to take it out as soon as it's golden brown and the strawberries are bubbling. This will need to cool at room temperature for 4 hours or 2 hours in the fridge. Then you can peel off the parchment paper. I usually just run a knife underneath to make sure that everything is going to release easily, and then you can just slide it right off. Now that these have set, we can slice and enjoy. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.